Today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful but often underused features of the Garmin G1000, its ability to connect directly to your iPad. Most pilots today are flying with tablets loaded with ForeFlight or Garmin Pilot, but many don't realize just how seamlessly the G1000 can communicate with those devices. When the two are paired, you can wirelessly transfer flight plans, share GPS and AHRS data, and significantly boost situational awareness in the cockpit. So let's head out to the ramp and walk through exactly how to set it all up. First things first, you'll have to power up the aircraft. Begin by testing and arming your standby battery and turning on your master switches. Then turn on your avionics switch and let the G1000 boot up. Once the screens come alive, press enter until you reach the home screen. From there, use a large FMS knob to scroll over to the aux page, and now use a smaller FMS knob to highlight Connect Setup. In the Connects menu, you'll see several important options. Make sure that the Bluetooth pairing mode is on, confirm that flight plan import is enabled, and make sure that Wi-Fi database import is enabled as well. Once everything looks good, grab your iPad and open your Bluetooth settings. Turn Bluetooth on and wait for your G1000, which is usually named after your tail number, to appear. Click on your G1000 once it appears. Once you do this, look back at your G1000 screen. A pairing request will pop up. Make sure Yes is highlighted, and then press the Enter soft key, and go back to your iPad and tap Pair to confirm the matching code. After a moment, the two devices will link, and you're ready to start transferring data. Now let's send a flight plan from ForeFlight to the G1000. On your iPad, open up the Maps tab in ForeFlight, then tap on your Flight Plan tab on the top of the screen. Look for this send icon. Tap that icon and then choose Send to Panel. Head back to your G1000 and you'll see an incoming flight plan pop up. Press Enter to preview it, and then press Enter again to activate it. Switch back to the map screen and you should see your entire route loaded and ready to go in the G1000. And that's really all there is to it. Once your iPad and G1000 are connected, the two systems work together beautifully. You can transfer flight plans in seconds, reduce cockpit workload, and even receive GPS and attitude data from the G1000 directly on your tablet. It's a huge boost in situational awareness and makes your overall cockpit flow much more efficient. For anyone flying behind a G1000 regularly, especially student pilots or a newly transitioning pilot, this connection is a complete game changer. To continue learning, make sure you follow us on all of our socials. And once again, thanks for watching.